Hey everybody, I'm back. Stopped into Walmart to look for something in the clearance department and also wanted to check out the fall decor. So I'm taking you along with me. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I saw a couple of pieces in the home decor section here and I had to stop and go back and look at these. Look at this wooden tray. Is that not gorgeous? I don't know what it is about a dark, rich wood, but it just draws me in. Look at that basket, the silverware basket. That is cute. This dish set is gorgeous. Look at that. It comes 3 different patterns. Is that not pretty? $9.97. I'm thinking housewarming gift, or if you have to take a gift to somebody's house for something, these little pieces like that, $10, $12 are great little gifts. I love these bowls. Oh gosh, the price on that, $9.97. That is a good price. Look at that. I am in love, and let me just tell you right now, if anybody in my family wants to buy me a set of dishes, wink wink, nudge nudge, Walmart's the place to find it at for me. Okay, anything here you see, feel free to buy me. I don't know what it was, but these wooden pieces are the things that drew me into this aisle right here. But look at this little dishware holder. Is that not cute? I love the wood on here. It looks so rich looking. Look at that. The little cake stand there. That is adorable. Man. And look at this tray next to it with the brushed gold handles on that. That tray was long, okay? That is good for $19.42. That's a good price. I mean, it was more beautiful in person. And look at that. Oh, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? They've got some, I don't know where this line came from, but they came out of nowhere, but these are beautiful. These are gorgeous. Look at that, the matching creamer and the sugar dish. I love that. Walmart's trying to do it. Walmart is trying to do the thing, okay? Look at the bowls. This wood is just drawing me in. That is nice. And the prices on these, I don't think the prices are bad at all. I mean, for what you're getting, look at the quality of it. Isn't beautiful? $5.98. Okay, here was something else I saw to go along with that. We're going to get right to the fall decor here in just a minute, but I saw these accessories that go with that. These are beautiful. These are like brushed gold accessories here. They've got the whisk set, 3-piece whisk set for $4.44. I think the prices on these are just gorgeous. So depending on what your color scheme in, this may just fit in perfectly depending on what you're doing with your color scheme for either right now or either you're going to change it up around the holidays. I just thought these were just incredible pieces. But are these not gorgeous? Oh, I love that wooden spoon rest. Isn't that cute? Now here is what is caught my eye also. Was the fall decor. Look at what they've got out. I saw this the other day at another Walmart, and I came through here today, of course, looking for what I was looking for. And, you know, I was like, oh my God, this is beautiful. And the price, I think they're trying to knock at the Dollar Tree store on some of these things. I'll show you in just a minute, but these are beautiful. Look at that little basket. Would that not be cute if you don't have a big table, just a little decor piece to put on it for the holidays? $5.98. That is pretty. And look at these little ornaments here. Is that gorgeous? Look at the welcome sign. That is cute. The little shadow boxes. Now here's what I'm going to show you right here. These little ornaments right here, they're 98 cents. I saw these same ones at the Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, so this is what I mean by they're trying to knock on the Dollar Tree's door. Look at that. All these little ornaments right here. Look at that. These same little pumpkins, I saw those at the Dollar Tree for $1, and they're marking them down like 2 cents less. You like that? 2 cents, like that's gonna make a big difference. But you know, I just wanted to show you these. Now these little silk pieces right here, they're cute for $1.34. I think I could get a little bit better quality at the Dollar Tree, but you know, Walmart's trying to do the thing. That's all I can say. Look at these little signage chairs. I love these. I actually just pulled out some of ours last week. To kind of sort through them and see what we're going to do for them put them out because, you know, fall will be here any minute now. And look at these little ornaments here. Look at that. 98 cents. All of these different ones back here. I was trying to reach back there in the back to get a hold of. Look at the little leaf there. 98 cents. But, okay, they got these little signages over here. These are so cute. Very nice. I love those little pillars for the candle holders. And look at that. That is cute. Yeah. The little gather sign, $1.94. And I love this little happiness homemade sign. It was like made of ceramic. So it's not like a flimsy little thing. It's a heavy like ceramic piece. And this little wooden piece with the ceramic on the front of it. I think, no, that was metal. It was metal. But that's cute, $3.44. Beyond Bless. And that's a cute little sign. I love this little basket with the welcome plate in and the metal welcome plate. That's beautiful. Oh, and these little cloth pumpkins, those are cute with the little pattern on them. I like those. They rotated like clear and then like a fabric pattern. Those are cute. Now these little pumpkins, these things were heavy. Grateful and welcome. I love those. Those would be cute by your front door. And these little glass pumpkins right here. Now I have seen some similar to these at Joann's on one of my previous hauls, but they had lights inside of them. So they're a little bit different. And I love this home sign for $4.98. That is beautiful. Nice. I'm trying to figure out what to put on my front door for this season. Because we have something, but I want to change it out. Look at that little metal pumpkin there. That was beautiful. These little ceramic dishes here, I guess you could put like a tea light in them, but aren't those like cute? The little owls. Now, I've not seen anything like those. Now here's this little wagon. Now you know you've seen this little wagon everywhere, but it's been metal and it's like one-sided. Look at this. This is like a two-sided solid wooden piece. Now that is adorable. For $9.98, that is a good deal. Okay? That is it. That looks so pretty. I love all the stuff they've got out. Oh, I love this little plaid pumpkins. Those are cute. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, thank you for stopping by my channel and checking out my trip to Walmart. Please leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and what? Subscribe. We'll see you next time.